I want even more space to grow dahlias this year, so I'm ripping up our old veggie patch and I'm just gonna fill it with flowers. First thing I gotta do is take out all of this dead nettle. Okay, and just like that, we got the garden all ready for planting. I've pulled out all that crap. I've taken it into our compost section. I've left Shannon's calendula and her kale, and we're gonna plant a whole bunch of dahlias now. We got a bunch of seedlings. We've got a bunch of tubers left over, probably around 50 plants to put in this garden. So it'll be a nice little bush, and I have 4 jalapenos, so I'm gonna throw those in too. I've never actually grown dahlias in this spot before, so it'll be interesting to see how they work. So here's the state of my seedlings. Some of them are pretty decent. They're looking strong. They're looking ready to go in the ground. I'm gonna bury these ones right up to their first leaf set. And then some of them look really laggy. I really let them get away. Some of them have blown over in the wind. So I'm also going to bury these right up to the first leaf set. So these are gonna be planted pretty deep. I'm gonna need a little shovel to get in there. But yeah, these are the seedlings, the state of the seedlings that I'm planting. They're not very strong. I can't say I did a good job being a seedling parent this year, but I at least have labels on this one. Oh no, I don't even have labels on this one. So I have labels on this one. I'm gonna know what these are. I'll find out what these ones are probably. And yeah, we're gonna get started. So check out this garden here. It's looking fresh. And these are the jalapenos, but I'm not the jalapeno Mandrew, so I'm just gonna skim over these. So I'm just gonna go through here and add trenches, and then I'm just gonna plop in the dahlias as I go. Should be able to plant it really fast. So I've got all the plants laid out where I'm going to plant them. Now basically all I have to do is go in, put them into the soil and just push the soil over top of them, and then I'm gonna water them all in. But I have a few more spots, so I'm gonna grab a few more tubers out of the garage.
She's like, ooh. Like this one's gonna be massive too.
All right, so just like that, this garden is planted and it is ready for action. I'm gonna water it because the soil is really, really dry, like bone dry. So I'm gonna give it some water. I'm gonna water everything in, even the tubers. Normally I wouldn't, but it's really dry. It's gonna be hot for a while. It's not supposed to rain. The soil is bone dry. I'm gonna get it a little bit wet. And so this whole garden is gonna thrive. I think I planted at least 50 dahlias in here. So we'll check back in on this video in like 8 weeks, see how it's going. And then again in like 12 weeks and just see how it establishes itself. I think it's gonna be a really cool transformation to watch it all come together. So I'm gonna post this video now, but then later I'll make a video that includes this part as well as that part in one bigger video that kind of shows the transformation. But this gives us something to look forward to in about 8 weeks, other than the front yard. Even though the front yard is gonna be amazing, back here should be pretty cool too. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, check out this video and check out this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below that starts with nice seedlings so I know you made it all the way to the end. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you later.